Welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if Samsung phone not turning on. Let's dive in. Here are some steps you need to follow. The first one is to charge your phone. Use the original Samsung approved charger. Allow the device to charge for at least 10 minutes. Ensure the charging indicator lights up. The next is to check charger and cable. To do so, inspect the cable and adapter for damage. Test with different compatible chargers to rule out accessory issues. The next is to inspect charging port. Use a flash to check for dust, lint or debris in the port. Gently clean the port with a soft brush or compressed air. The next is to perform a forced restart. Press and hold the power and volume down button for about 7 seconds. This can resolve minor software glitches preventing the phone from starting. The next is to boot into recovery mode. To do so, turn off the device, hold volume up, power and Bixby buttons simultaneously. Select Wipe Cache Partition and then reboot system now. The next is to boot into the safe mode. Hold the power button until the Samsung logo appears. Then release and press volume down. Safe mode will appear if successful. If the phone works, uninstall recently added apps. The next is to check for physical or water damage. Look for cracks, dents or signs of water exposure. Physical or water damage may require professional repair. The next is to perform a factory reset. Boot into a recovery mode as in step 5. Select Wipe Data, Factory Reset and confirm. This erases all data, so use only if all other options fail. If none of the above solutions work, you need to visit Samsung support. Provide detail of the issue and step tried. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.